Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Haley and I am so glad that you are here. I live in New York City with my husband Jesse and our little mini wiener dog Samson, and we live on the Upper East Side in a little studio apartment. It's tiny and we make it work. Anyway, if you've been following along, you know I have been kind of doing a lot of DIY upgrades to our apartment that are renter friendly upgrades, because if and when we move, we will need to put it back to its original state. So nothing is permanent, but we have done a lot of really fun renovations. And in my last apartment tour video, which you can go and watch, I had a question for you guys, and that was, please SOS help me with what the heck to do with this blank wall in our kitchen that's just been honestly sitting blank for the last year and a half that we've lived here. It is that wall right there, and I just have not known what to do with it. So I reached out to you guys and said, please help me figure out, give me ideas, what should I do? A lot of fun ideas were extra fun shelving, open shelving, which I really loved that idea, but I was worried that that might look a little cluttered, and given that we do have quite a bit of storage space in this apartment, I just didn't want to fill it with more knick-knacky type things. I am kind of more of a minimalist, so I just didn't want to overdo it. Another idea that you guys had was a hanging plant wall sort of thing, which I think I might incorporate eventually, in the corner, if it gets enough sun, because the corner can be a little bit dark. So we'll see about that. Another idea you guys had was a beautiful big painting, which I love that idea too. I'm just so indecisive, so choosing something that I'm gonna like for a while and not have to swap out seasonally was just too I don't know, my inability to commit, my commitment issues were just too worried about that. So the idea that I really liked was to do a big mirror, but because we already have our big anthropology mirror, I didn't want it to be too similar, and I didn't want to have to try to match the gold with that gold. And so I also wanted to create the illusion that the apartment was longer than it was, and that it was almost another window in our apartment. So I found this beveled framed mirror that looks like a window, and I'm hoping that it just makes it look like there's a window right there, I guess. I mean, I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. So today there is a TaskRabbit coming. His name is Tony. I have gone through him a couple other times to install dimmers in our kitchen and install new light fixtures in the entryway and in the living room. By living room, I mean the studio. But all that to say, he's coming today. He is going to help us install this mirror. It is a big mirror, so we definitely need the help. And I am gonna take you guys along with as we finally do something with this super blank wall that's just been driving me nuts and honestly just kind of stumping me on what to do with it for so long. But I really hope that I like what we are going to do, so I'm excited to show you guys and do a little grand reveal. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and let's dive into it. Okay, you guys, so the mirror has been installed and I am so excited with how it turned out. And Tony, the TaskRabbit, is the man. And oh, you got a little sneak peek there. Okay, here we go. Here she is. Guys, I'm so excited with how this turned out. Isn't she lovely? I definitely need to Windex her a little bit better, but I just feel like it completes this space so nicely. Gosh, I just love how it brings it all together. He did such a good job, and yeah, I'm just so excited. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. I just think it's gonna bring in a lot of beautiful light. Also, it is beveled, so it like captures light just even better, which I think will be really, really nice. I'm just very grateful for how it turned out. Also, if you want Tony's number, if you are local in New York City and you need a handyman, I got you. Just send me a message on Instagram and I can give you his contact info directly, and that way you can avoid the TaskRabbit service fees and all of that kind of a thing. So anyway, also he gave me permission to do this, so that's just FYI. Also, you guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I kind of have bangs and I'm still figuring out how to style them, but so far I'm liking them. I just kind of wanted a little change as we head into fall. I'm very excited for fall. I'm like already wearing like kind of long sleevey shirts, even though it's quite hot still. I mean, it's not that bad. It's like 79. So anyway, just wanted to debut these ladies as well. Thank you guys for all of your help, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!